To celebrate International Pie Day, Coraline and I are going to cook a pie. First off, Coraline, we need to make our graham cracker crust. Do you think that'll be good? Some graham crackers? Do you want the box?
Yeah.
Okay. If you could open that box up, that would be great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Wait, are you going to open up the box?
Bye-bye.
You're going to open up the box?
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Remember, we want to make this pie today. Would you like some help?
Yeah.
Alright, so to start with our graham cracker crust, Coraline, we're going to have to put all of these graham crackers into the bowl here. Do you think you can help with that?
Yeah.
Okay. And could you put the graham cracker in there, please? Oh, can you put the graham cracker in here, please? No, the graham cracker is supposed to go in the bowl. Okay, yeah. We'll let people know that you took a bite out of that. So put a few in there. Do you want to put a couple more in? Put them inside that bowl, please. Thank you very much.
You like it?
Yeah, just like that. This is being a little unsanitary, but here, let's keep going. Yeah, that's just, that's part of cooking. You get to taste things along the way. Can you hold on to it, please? Ooh. Coraline, we have our melted butter. It's hot. Can you feel it? Hot. Hot, yes. So what we're going to do, we need to add this butter. Exactly, right into here, okay? You want to hold that still? Yeah, so this is going to be our pie dish, Coraline. So before we put the crust in, we need to grease it.
Wow!
Nice. Yeah, nice work. Can you take this spoon? We're going to pour... Yeah, that's just butter. That probably tastes good. Okay, now we're going to press it. Can you put your hand down and press? Yeah, just like Daddy. Nice work, Coraline. Yeah, press. Yeah, finish patting. And now that we finished patting in the graham cracker crust, Coraline, we're going to put it in the oven at 375, okay? Bake it for 10 minutes. So Coraline, while our graham cracker pie crust is baking in the oven, we need to make the pie filling, which is going to be peanut butter and maple syrup and some silken tofu. Does that sound good? And then we're also, in the end, we're going to fold in some coconut cream. Yeah. So we're going to put, there's some. Plop! 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 Hello! Alright, now that we have our silken tofu and we're going to use some peanut butter, okay? We're going to use a half a cup. Is this a song about peanut butter? The last thing we need here is some maple syrup. So there's a quarter cup. We'll add just a little bit more because we all know how much Mommy likes her maple syrup. So Coraline, what you can do... Ooh. That looks good. It's all blending up. Okay, can you turn it off right there? Taste? What do you think? We have this can of coconut cream. Oh, it's a spoon. We're going to use that spoon. We have this can of coconut cream that we had in the refrigerator overnight. So it cooled and separated the cream from the liquid. And we're going to mix that in with our peanut butter, tofu, syrup mixture. And that's going to be our filling for the pie. So we are going to get this cream in here. We'll get the coconut cream down. Yeah, and we don't want to get the liquid, okay? Can you take this spoon and help pour this in? Nice work, Coraline. Yep. Bang that spoon off real good.
Mom?
You want more?
Yeah.
That's a good sign. It means it tastes good. Pretty yummy, huh?
Mama?
Yeah. So Daddy's whisking right now.
Hey, Mama?
Can you cheer Daddy on? Say yay!
Me.
Yeah, it's an oven mitt. You want to put the oven mitt on?
Uh,
Here you go.
uh,
Here you go. This filling that we just blended, we're going to pour it right... Oh yeah, look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Mama?
We have a cup of soy milk. Yep, that's a whisk in your mouth. Yeah. Now we have to add the chocolate chips into our milk, okay? Ready? You want to count to 3? 1, 2. Wow. Now they have to cook for 5 minutes. Can you count to 5 minutes? Yeah. And now for our final step, Coraline, we have our melted chocolate. We gotta take a spoon. Yeah, we're gonna get all this chocolate down. Okay, we gotta spread this chocolate around. Can you help spread with the spoon a little bit? Yeah. Oh, I see what you're doing. This chocolate's a little warm, okay? We're gonna save this chocolate for Mommy. So Mommy can have it.
Mommy?
Yeah, Mommy. We're gonna sprinkle some peanuts on here. Some peanuts. Yeah. Voila! Coraline! Look it! We made a pie. Can I get a high five? No! You rascal! Okay, you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Happy Pie Day!
Bye-bye.